Okay, we're going to hook up the water to the green cabin, and there's a pipe that runs from the main house to the green cabin, and there are 1, 2, 3 connections we have to make, and it's going to begin. This is the valve close to the birch tree behind the cottage, and the first connection is just downstream here, and it's the hose type connection. So we clean that off, make sure there's a rubber gasket in there, and put that in. Sometimes the rubber gasket is a little awkward. Okay, so we're getting it on there. Should be firm. Not a bad idea to tighten a little bit with a pair of pliers. And that's the first one. Now there's 2 more. One is halfway to the green cabin, and you got to find it, and the other one is at the green cabin. Here's the second one. It's just by the back dock, just before it gets down into the swampy things. So same thing. Put that on finger tight, and maybe use the pliers. And that's it. Now we're right behind the green cabin, and we're putting the last one together. Tighten the pliers. That should be good. So now we're going to turn the water off inside the green cabin, and then we'll go back and turn the valve on and see if we have any leaks. Okay, we're back at the house. We're going to turn the valve on. This valve always sprays a bit when you open it. There we go, and now it's open. And this valve should be closed. Close it. All right. So now it's hooked up to the green cabin, but we walk along the pipe looking for, but mostly listening for leaks, especially where we hooked it up together, and then we'll check at the green cabin. Back inside the green cabin, now we check to see if we're getting the water all the way. Got to get all the air out of the line, which usually takes a second or 2. But there should be a noise, and I can feel the air coming out and the water gurgling. That seems a little slow. I'm a little worried we got something plugging the line. That's not happened before. Okay, we've run it with the pump on for a while, and that's blown out a bunch of stuff. We've turned the pump off, and this is the normal amount that you would get with the pump off and the tank full, which is looking good. So we're basically done with the green cabin water. Okay, the green cabin water is running, and since we're not going to be here for a couple of weeks, no need for water down there. There might be some small leaks down there, so not a bad idea to turn off the water.
Can you show me that valve again, please? I'm going to zoom in.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
To turn off the water.